I tried a lot of custom recoveries while installing custom homes. Maybe you should have tried too. We have Orange Fox custom recoveries, we have TWRP, and one of the custom recoveries is a PBRP, which is PitchBlack Recovery project, and now it's officially available for many devices. And I'm just going to talk about some of the features which this recovery provides. This is the UI, and to be very honest, compared to Orange Fox or TWRP, this custom recovery has better UI compared to those custom recoveries. This has the good UI, this has good features. In the terms of comparison with Orange Fox custom recovery, both of these custom recoveries are just super good. Both of these custom recoveries have an insane number of features. For example, if you want to install Magisk directly, if you don't have the Magisk zip available in your device, you can install that very easily, including that some of the features are available which might not work, or which might work on a device which might not be worthy for you to try out in the latest versions, like camera to API. It's almost available in every device compared to some older devices, so I don't think so that it makes sense to use. We have some PBRP specials where you have this reboot menu available. You can reboot to system, reboot to recovery, reboot to bootloader, reboot to fast boot and power off. And this is also a different UI, as I just mentioned, because this custom recovery has very different kind of UI available, new UI and modern looking UI, you can say. Every other feature like other custom recoveries are already present here. For example, we have the flashlight option, which as you can see is working perfectly fine. I'm testing this official PitchBlack Custom Recovery on Redmi Note 10 Pro, and it also supports Android 12, Android 13 decryption. So this is very good. Why I'm talking about this PitchBlack Custom Recovery? Because this is officially available version 4.0 for a lot of devices, and the best thing is it supports Android 13. This is the main thing. If your device is encrypted, you will still be able to mount data in custom recovery if you're using PitchBlack Custom Recovery. You can see it also supports OTA, even MIUI OTA updates it supports. To be very honest, I haven't tried it out, but I think so, because a lot of users were using. I found some of the users were reporting it's working perfectly fine, so that's very good. Some of the advanced options which you can see, file manager options. If you want to copy, delete some files from your storage, for example, I have SD card, so let me try to copy and let me try to see which options are available. So if I try to click this one and okay, you can see we have unzip folder available. Copy, move, delete, rename, everything is present here. It's almost same like Orange Fox custom recovery. I think so I will make a video on PitchBlack custom recovery versus Orange Fox custom recovery, a comparison video very soon. If I move on to the wipe options, you can see the reset option and the format data option. These are the two options available, and I didn't found these two options everywhere. Orange Fox Custom Recovery gives you the ability to format data, and advanced we have options for reset in PitchBlack Custom Recovery. Some general options you can see. Sometimes the things are not clickable because you need to click them very nicely or maybe perfectly. If you see, you can adjust the vibration also. Settings options are also present. Settings, language, everything, whatever you're looking for is already present here. Things are pretty much fine if you want to install PitchBlack Custom Recovery. If it is available unofficially or officially for your device, if it is available officially, link I will provide you in the description, and if it is available unofficially, you can check out your Telegram group and channel. This is all from today's short and simple video. I hope you like this. If you like this, don't forget to like and share, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, goodbye.